Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Mr. Deputy Speaker Sir, keeping in view the paucity of time, I would like to raise only 2 or 3 points in brief. When on 2nd December new government was constituted and Shri Madhu Dandavate became the Minister of Finance, we were happy, but after the presentation of the first budget of the government, the finance bill has been presented in the House for giving legislative sanction to these financial provisions, and not only we but also the supporting parties of the government are in a dilemma while supporting this finance bill. Only on 2 occasions in the history of this country, value of rupee had rapidly decreased and prices rose so high. This happened for the first time in the year 1967 and then in 1989. I feel very sorry to say that this is going to happen in the country during the tenure of the Honorable Finance Sri Madhu Dandavate. This is happening because Sri Dandavate has levied taxes and duties on such items which can yield more revenue, but it affects price situation also. Our honorable friend has mentioned about diesel, petrol and tires. I would like to urge the Honorable Shri Dandavate that he should withdraw the increase in taxes on diesel, petrol and tires because it is the last chance for doing so. Otherwise, the government will lose faith of the people. I would like to request you that the government should consider the issue of reducing the price of diesel, petrol and inland letter. Mr. Deputy Speaker Sir, I would like to give 2 suggestions to the Honorable Minister of Finance. The private companies are used to exaggerating their export obligations. They advance this plea at the time of getting license, saying that we will export so much quantity of products, but a few companies fulfill their export obligations. If the government strictly asks these companies to fulfill their export obligations, we shall be able to earn foreign exchange and remove import and export imbalance. Another suggestion I would like to give to the Honorable Minister is about cigarette industry. The duty imposed on cigarettes is generally based on the length of the cigarette irrespective of whether it is a cheap cigarette or costly one. It would be better to charge duty on the cost of cigarette instead of specific rates of duty. By doing so, the government can earn crores of rupees on costly cigarettes. Stop. Thank you.